Well, hi, I'm Jay Arthur, author of Lean Six Sigma Demystified and QI Macros. Most of the American Society for Quality Control originally was focused on manufacturing from after the war ongoing. However, I want you to think about this. In most manufacturing plants, there's not a lot of people on the floor anymore, and the floor has been pretty well optimized or you're not in business. Right? But there's this huge sort of backroom service function, sales, marketing, invoicing, scheduling, all that kind of stuff. That's all service. And so you can use the tools quality to optimize that as well. Simplify, streamline, optimize, right? Use Lean to reduce the delays between things happening so that it's like gets done faster. You know, and I've worked with people on things like reducing turnaround time for a request for quote for an airplane part. We went from 40 months down to 40 days, just by getting rid of all the delays in there. And recognizing that most parts are like other parts you've already done, and so you can just borrow that understanding and then deploy that with a new one and get an answer out in a timely fashion. So, don't just look at your manufacturing plant floor. Look at all the stuff behind it. How can you simplify, streamline, optimize that? 5S, value stream map. Use some control charts to monitor things and Pareto charts to define where things are going wrong and fix those. That's my improvement insight. Let's go out and improve something this week.